Welcome to this tutorial. How to change or create desktop icons for Windows. Click on the Start icon at the bottom left of your desktop screen. Click on Settings. In the Settings window, click on Personalization. On the left side menu list, click on the Themes. Under the Related settings on the left side, click on the Desktop Icon settings. Select an icon, like here I've selected this PC icon, and then click on the Change Icon button. Look into the available built-in list of icons and select any one of your choice. Click on the OK button. Click on Apply and then click on the OK button. Close the settings window. Let's see whether our selected icon has changed or not. At the bottom taskbar, click on the File Explorer to open it. See, the icon of This PC has been changed. If you want to restore the default settings, then repeat the steps from 1 to 5 as shown in this video. In the Desktop Icon Settings window, click on the Restore Default button. Click on the Apply button and then click on the OK button. This will restore the default Windows icon. To create a customized icon, I've opened this image in the Paint app. Select a small portion of the image and then click on the Crop at the top. Click on the File tab and then hover the mouse on Save As. Click on the BMP picture. Give a file name of your choice and change the file extension from BMP to ICO. Click on the Save button and close the Paint app. Repeat the steps from 1 to 6 of this video. Click on the Browse button. Locate your customized icon file. Select it and click on the Open button. Click on the OK button. Click on Apply and then click on the OK button. This will change the Windows icon with your own created icon. Hope this was easy to follow. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to our channel.